Okay, welcome to the next tutorial. In this one, we're going to be lofting all our shapes together into our lovely boat hull shape. Massive reminder about saving before you go on with this tutorial. You never know what's going to happen with loft. It can work sometimes and not others. Depending on your shape. If your shape is or your shapes are too complex, it may not work and you may need to simplify them. So let's go create and we'll go down to loft. And we start with the back shape first and we're just going to select on that till it's highlighted, and then we go to the next one. It's lofting beautifully at the moment. Select on the next shape, the small shape, and then the point at the end. Okay, I'm just going to move that out so we can see it a little better. Now you can see here that the shape is off where I set my keel shape, and it's slightly off here where it's my top view shape of my hull. So we're going to come over here and select on rail. We're going to add a new rail. Untick chain selection. We're going to zoom in and I'm just going to select on this line. It should turn blue. And you can see now that it's come in line with that keel shape. I'm going to create another one. This time it's this one here. It should now move out into it. Now if that shape's too radical, then it just may not be able to create those shapes. And it might just go, no, I'm not doing it. And that means you need to revise your shapes. They're too complex. So there's my hull design. And I can go back in and make modifications to any of these sketches that I've created. And that would just be me selecting on them. And then I just go edit sketch. And then from there I can select and make some modifications to that shape. Then finish the sketch. And then it should make the computations and fix up that sketch. Alright, the next thing that we want to do is mirror this onto the other side. And that happens, let me check, yes, just here. Sometimes even experts forget it's in mirror. So we're going to select on that. We come up to the mirror option box and we're going to select from the body. We could also select from feature because this is all the one feature, but we're going to say body. And this whole body here is what we want to select. So we come over here and we're selecting on that body from the bodies from the menu bar here on the side. And then we're going to select the mirror plane. Now this is our mirror plane. It's the front mirror plane. We're selecting that. You can see it's mirrored onto the other side. And we just select OK. Now let's take a little bit of a look around to see how that's created it. That's very, very nice. That is a very interesting shaped hull. I honestly don't think it will work very well because of there's probably quite a lot of fluid friction in this area. I would make modifications to that by going back into the planes and trying to smooth this out a little bit. But that's the process of making a more complex boat hull shape in Fusion 360. In the next group of tutorials, I'm going to be looking at how to do a twin hull shape. Okay, you can move on to that video if you like.